Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of paint storage and touch-ups with a revolutionary solution, the Paint Saint. Introducing the Paint Saint, the ultimate touch-up paint container with a brush attached to the lid, designed to make your painting projects a breeze. But what sets the Paint Saint apart from the rest? First off, let's talk about convenience. With the Paint Saint, touching up interior or exterior paint has never been easier. Simply unscrew the top, and you're ready to get to work. And when you're done, just put the paintbrush back in the can and screw on the closing ring to seal the paint inside. But here's the game changer: you never have to wash your paintbrush again. Thanks to the 21st century sealing technology, the Paint Saint creates an airtight seal that prevents oxygen from entering the container. This means your paint won't separate or dry out, and your brush stays moist and ready for use at any time. And let's not forget about efficiency. The Paint Saint features two sets of threads for the closing ring, ensuring a secure seal every time. Plus, there's a max fill line on both sides of the container to make sure you don't overfill. Now, let's talk about quality. The Paint Saint comes equipped with a high-quality 1.5 by 5 inches synthetic bristle brush, designed to hold a lot of paint. And with a stainless steel ferrule, you can say goodbye to rusting. But perhaps the best part? The affordability. At such a reasonable price, you can get one Paint Saint for each color in your home or business, ensuring that your paint always looks fresh and vibrant. So whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or DIY enthusiast, the Paint Saint is the perfect solution for all your touch-up paint needs. That wraps up today's review of the Paint Saint. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy painting!